Competitors ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Lots of shavings. More than that. Go with that. Go, buddy. Long stroke. The light? Can't see what you're doing. Find a feather.
He's down. More cowbell! Like, where's that cowbell?
It's going, you're good. It's going. It's going, don't touch it. There you go. Get rid of that big knot, okay? Don't bother getting rid of the big, all right. Watch your fire. Okay, good. 2 big hunks. Okay. Too big. That's better. 3 little ones. Do a shingle and then 3 little ones. Okay, take that shingle and make 3 little ones. Little.
Just a reminder, after the water boil event is over,
there
will
go.
be a
3
dinner.
across, set your can down.
After that is completed,
Can
tickets, if not already purchased,
don't play with it, just set them there. Yeah.
Award
Now,
ceremony, and then a party.
Small, boom. Small, focus.
Arc Lounge after the award ceremony. So the Arc Lounge will be staying open.
Gotta be smaller.
Tonight, for those of you that want to hang out in the Arc Lounge for the evening.
What? Good. Okay. Okay, build. Small ones first. Leave that. Good. Build. Everything. Build. Nice and small. Build neatly. Build. More on this side. Build. Put your shingles up if you want, if you think that's what you're going to do. You're good, all right. Build. Go with what you got then. Put all them up. Blow. You lay down. Get aggressive with it. You got to fight that wind. Hard.
Yeah, boo!
You can. No, stay where you're at. Get back there. Blow as hard as you can. You got to fight that wind. You got no fire on the other side. Get in there. Watch your elbow. Your arm's going to be on fire here soon. Thank you. Good. Perfect. Blow. Keep that. That's all you
Yes,
do.
Sam.
Keep going. Don't move. Get your face in there.
Come on, buddy. Come on, Sam. Come on. Come on, Sam. Get your face in there. Get in there. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
All you got. Do it now. Come on. You can do this. Don't wait from the wind. Come on. Stay in one spot, man.
Come on, Sam.